KK Java tutorials. In this video tutorial, we'll try to write two queries. First query we will write to create a table with the same structure with data of the existing table. Means if you have already one existing table with some data, right? So how we can create another table from this existing table with data, right? And second query will see how to create a table with the same structure of the existing table. So in second case we'll see only we would like to create the structure, means table structure, but we don't want to copy the data, underlying data, right? So let's start with the first case. There I'm going to create another table with a student table, and there we would like to basically copy basically table structure as well as data, right? So we will write, so as you know how to create a table using create a statement, right? We have a create table, and we have to give the table name. We need to specify the column name, data type, size, etc., right? But here already table structure is existing. We need to create a table from that existing table. So you have to write create table, then table name, with what name you want to create a table. So a student table is already there, so I would like to give the table name as, like, let's say temp underscore student, right? So from this name I would like to create a table, and here you need to use the keyword is called as, right? Let's separate in the separate line, so as, and after that you have to do the select star from a student, right? Here if you want you can specify some filtration criteria in where clause as well, but I would like to copy the all the data, right? So that's why just I am selecting all the data from the student. And if I run this query, let me format this query for you. So if I run this query, then let's see message, you can see the output console, the table temp underscore student is created. And if I refresh my connection, then you would be able to see temp underscore student, and this table is having the same data what is in the student table, right? So this is the way to basically create a table with data, right? Now let's say I don't want to create a table with the data, just I would like to copy the table structure, right? Then how we can do that? So let's say I'm going to create another temp to underscore student, but at this time I would like to copy only table structure, not the data, right? Only table name would be the different, rest of the structure like column name, column size, everything would be same. So here in this where clause you have to specify some condition like 1 equals to 2 or 1 equal to 10, or any false condition basically you have to specify, or you can specify like a, right? Character a equal to character, not character but in database case string. This will never be true, right? So some false condition you have to specify, right? So here, so if you specify some false condition and if you run, then here you can see table is created. But if I go to this table, let's refresh the connection, then here you can see table is copied with no data, right? So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys. Big thank you for watching this video, and see you there in the next video tutorial.